Surprise doctor's kit! Wow!
This is interesting.
Yeah, what is this?
Shoot.
Oh, a tooth. And a crying tooth.
This
Happy tooth. A white happy tooth and a yellow crying tooth. Fateh, what's inside? Oh, some pills for the dolly. A flashlight. Yay. Let's check the dolly's eyes. Ears. And mouth. And nose. And head. Back. Feet. Tummy.
all the flashlight. Toothpaste.
Oh, toothpaste. Let's brush your teeth.
Where's your toothbrush?
Oh. Toothpaste. Now let's brush.
Get to the dolly.
Great job. Let's check the dolly's heartbeat with a stethoscope. Yeah, some pills.
This is the dolly.
Yeah, let's give it to the doll.
Dolly has a bubble on its
Head.
Let's go to the doctor.
Let's go.
About the sippy cup. This is the dolly. Dog has a bubble on its head. That's okay, babe. I need a shot. Okay.
Okay.
Let's see the dolly. See that? Teeth cavities.
Uh-oh.
Dolly needs to look at teeth more. Look, teeth is all gone. Teeth. Ready, set, go! So many teeth. What color is this?
It's the color.
Yellow.
Oh, it is sad.
Okay, go to the doctor.
Oh, okay, doctor.
Hey, look at this sense. Talent plus it's an eat. Look for the cup. Just a heartbeat. This is so heavy. Huh? Yellow. White. These colors. Red. Blue. What's this? Green. Yellow.
Yellow.
You need to brush your teeth.
You need to brush your teeth.
Ready, set, go!
Yay! Now Tooth is happy.
It's so clean.
Hurry.
Dolly.